Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your phone and the CRV. Plug in a good USB-C cable into the car's USB port or enable wireless pairing if the 2025 CRV supports it. You must update Android Auto and the phone OS and turn on Bluetooth Plus location. Unlock the phone when prompted and accept permissions. This allows the car head unit to read apps and contacts. Once done, watch for the Android Auto icon on the CRV display and tap it to begin pairing. Now authorize Android Auto on both devices. You will see prompts asking for permission to access contacts, messages, and media. Grant these so features work correctly. Select audio routing so navigation and media use the car speakers. Confirm the microphone is enabled for voice commands. In the Android Auto menu, choose your default navigation and music apps to streamline future use. Make sure voice activation is active so you can say commands. Otherwise, you'll rely on touch. Finish by testing core functions. Start navigation, make a call, and play music to confirm everything routes correctly. If steering wheel controls or voice commands don't respond, retry with a certified cable or re-establish the wireless link. If the system freezes or fails to connect, clear Android Auto cache on your phone, restart both phone and CRV infotainment, then reconnect. One troubleshooting tip. Swap cables before diving deep. Most intermittent problems are faulty or low-quality USB cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.